Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so far Orlando Pirates senze lama signings lawo. Senze lama signings lawa angazi mhlawumbe ngangitshela ama comments wena uzizwa kanjani ngalama signings. Abokuqala uSihle Nduli. Sihle Nduli simthole kuStelis. Stelis umchita usedlale kahle kwiStelis wadlala eAfrica, so he's doing very good for Stellenbosch umchita, so we decided to sign as new CDM Orlando Pirates. Kabelo Khositsile, a young promising talent from Baroka FC, but again, he won't be joining Orlando Pirates in the upcoming season because we'll be loaning him back to Baroka. So umchita uyokuhlala kancane kwiBaroka athu ukuthola game time athu ukuperfecta kancane icraft yakhe, but again uTsepo Mashiliyoni umdlalo uyiteammate yakhe uKabelo Khositsile, he will be joining Orlando Pirates to replace the likes of Thamiso Monyane because he plays as a right wing back. So another player Oguyanela Mbuthuma, the recent signing signed from Richards Bay, a promising striker, 23 years old. He has been doing well for Richards Bay FC. So Urulane and I spoke highly of this player. So I really I'm a bit skeptical. Maybe you can tell me otherwise in my comments about Uyanela Mbuthuma. I'm a bit skeptical of this player. He's tall, he has that physicality we need in a striker. He can hold up Ebola. Maybe if we bring umdlali ozomnikeza uzomnikeza amabhola. Yabo, if we sign players who will give this guy amabhola, who will give this guy ama chances, maybe we can get a striker kakhulu. But Uyanela Mbuthuma is the striker we signed. Another player simsignile uMasindi Nemtajela, we signed him from Marumo Gallants umchitu uyadlala ngempela, young player futhi. So angazi funa khona, but ke he's a proper 8 umchitu uyakwazi ukudlala ngempela iswini, so sabadinga abadlala banjalo. Another player uNkosikhona Ndaba, we signed this player futhi from Richards Bay FC. Signed this player from Richards Bay FC, udlala as a left wing back umchita. He will potentially replace umchita lo uPaseka Marco, because uPaseka Marco we recently released uPaseka Marco. Another signing we made Sinoxolo Kwayiba, central attacking midfielder esiyisayine kwiChippa United, a promising midfielder bafethu liyana bafethu idlalela bafana. So umchita, for me, I don't see him as a proper number 9. I don't see him as a proper number 10. I see him as a number 9. But again, when one ama comments ngokwakho, another player esizoyisayina right now uTshepango Moremi, idili yakhe ngenza ngempela iyenzeke. Simbonile eposta ngempela uTshepango Moremi lapha ku IG. Eposta lesithombe lesi ku story sakhe. So yabo mhlambe kuyahlangana ukuthi uzojoin Orlando Pirates. And mase ubheke so far we've signed abadlali uthi ngibo Sihle Nduli, Kabelo Khositsile, Tsepo Mashiliyoni, Yanela Mbuthuma, Masindi Nemtajela, Nkosikhona Ndaba, Sinoxolo Kwayiba, Masekubu, Tshepango Moremi. But those are 8 players so far. Those are 8 players so far. There are players Orlando Pirates linked nabo abadlala abanjengo Jaden Rhodes. About there's a striker I spoke about esidlala le eBulgaria. Yabo isifuna Orlando Pirates. There's a striker edlala le South America. Esifuna Orlando Pirates. I think it's Rafael Lopez if I'm not mistaken. So Mosebeg, that's like a new management. That's like a new team. Yabo, that's like a new team right there. Masubheki la kulabadlali laba engisababalile, ubani umdlali wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ama comments ongafika kwiSquad seSundowns ahlalise ama main players adlalele iSundowns? Kusihle Nduli. Do you think uSihle Nduli can replace umdlali lo uTebogo Mokoena kweSundowns? Do you think uSihle Nduli angaba replace nabadlali abadlalela iSundowns kule position ayidlalayo? Do you think uKabelo Khositsile, even though uKabelo Khositsile simlone back kwiBaroka, do you think angayi-add any value kwiSquad seSundowns? Do you think uTsepo Mashiliyoni can add value kwiSquad seSundowns? Do you think Uyanela Mbuthuma? I know we must trust the process. I know we must trust the management. But do you think Uyanela Mbuthuma, uNtswempu, kuno Ikram Reyners, for instance? Ikram Reyners, Mamelodi Sundowns signed Ikram Reyners. They saw Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns yabona ukuthi Ikram Reyners wenza kahle kuStelis. They went for Ikram Reyners. The player was doing very good. I know there's a short number of strikers now like the Premiership. There's a short number of strikers. Yanela Mbuthuma, for me, he was a promising striker. Masubheki between azike ezinye striker obungafuna ukuyisayina other than Uyanela Mbuthuma. But Uyanela Mbuthuma is not that exciting as Ikram Reyners was with Stelis. You can go outside PSL. You can search for talents outside PSL if you can't find any player ozokwazi ukumsign. I know it was a big shout for Orlando Pirates uthi hambe iyosayina bani lo mdlalo this player Fiston Mayele playing for Pyramids. It was a huge shout. But at least ihluleke iZamalek. Why didn't you try to sign a player like Fiston Mayele? Instead of buying abadlali abaningi kangaka, why didn't you take one budget for umdlalo oyedwa nje ozowazi okay, I don't have a proper striker, I need a proper striker. Why don't I sacrifice i-signing ka Kostkona Ndaba, i-signing ka bani ka Tsepo Mashilioni, i-signing ka maybe ka Masindi Nemtatshela? Yabo, sacrifice those signing and get imali ozokwazi ukusayina khona lesa strike osidingayo top. But we opted for the cheaper players abaningi. Many of these players won't play for Orlando Pirates next season. I'm telling you right now. Many of these players. I see Tebang Morem. Tebang Morem is a good player. He's a good player to replace abadala right, with the current squad is now. But I don't see him replacing any player of the Sundowns right now. I don't see him competing for EJ's Sundowns. Tebang Morem. I don't see him competing. Kostkona Ndaba. Do you think Kostkona Ndaba fit with Sundowns? I don't think he would fit with Sundowns. I don't think he would fit. So Tina, yes, there's a new management coming in. There's a new coach coming in. I'm not sure if coaching low obizele lama signings. I'm not sure. Uthi coaching impela in low lama signings, but again, let's hope management iyazi yenzani. Iloko nje mina ngakusho, let's hope management iyazi yenzani, because mingazi sisenkingeni. Uma ingazi ukuthi yenzani sisenkingeni enkulu. Sisenkingeni enkulu ngempela, because we have to address ama issues as now. There are many issues as now going on the Pirates. It's like we are signing any player that knows how to kick ball. Uyakwazi ukhahlela iball. Yeah. Awudlale ufuna ukudlalelana. Pirates. Yeah, what's that? Kanjalo nje fit. Yabo, I'm just making an example because I ngeke wafit. For me, Tsepo Morem is the only player I saw, and Usihle Nduli, but I can make some arguments about those players. Usihle Nduli, not Tsepo Morem. Maybe now Jaden Rhodes, if he comes through, Buleli Windili. Yabo. Maybe I can make my arguments all over three of those players. But the rest, they are good. But I don't think they are good for you Pirates. But again, I wish they will prove me wrong. I wish management is on prove wrong if it sikwazi ukuthola abadlala kahle. Yabo, I hope labadlali bazofika ba-elevate kwi-Pirates. But for Tina, what is challenge Mamelodi Sundowns? I don't think so. I challenge Sundowns.